Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, DDM-Cardhouse. I know last time I said we are going to open the Prismatic Evolutions Pokemon Booster next, but I still have this crossover display, and as I said last time, I'm playing the Mitsurugi Razzle deck, right? And I tested it, and I still need an Ice Razzle. In German it's called Innenmotor. I mean, kind of a weird name, right? From Ice to Innenmotor, but you know, the extra Razzle is called Außenmotor. So German is just weird. So let's see if we can get a Innenmotor or Ice Razzle for me, and of course, let's see if we can get a Quarter Century Secret Rare. So we're going to open our first booster here, and we get Tenyu number 103, Time Stealer, and Hangunol. Okay. I need some Malice cards as well because I want to actually play the deck. Okay. I know. I saw a lot of Malice plays on DB Grander's channel, and I don't know if I like the deck, but I'm gonna have to try it myself, right? Oh, Medicine Underground. The card is still really expensive. It's like 25 bucks, I think. 25 euros. So, yeah, nice pull. But let's see if we get the Ice Razzle for me. I still like the set more than the Supreme Darkness, because you get, like, it's easier to get your money back, right? And I still have some pretty good cards like Drella, Tenyi stuff. YuGiOh is pretty awesome with oh, that's Q. Okay. It's pretty good with Sword Soul, so yeah, a friend of mine, I gave him the whole like playset of all the cards, and he destroyed me with it, so yeah, it's actually not that bad. You can brick sometimes, but still, I mean, every deck can brick, right? Exoton is in there, it's pretty good in Razzle. Okay. And the medals. Okay. I don't really know exactly the Malice deck list exactly, because every time I opened the set before, I sold everything, so I need to see how many of each card I need to actually build a deck. I mean, I think this one is I think 3 times, right? You need this 3 times, so that's why it's expensive. But other than that, I don't know. And I think you can play this as well, right? Because you banished it anyway? You want to banish them? No? So... you can detach one material and then activate following effect. Choose one card your opponent controls and return it to your hand. Okay. Actually not too bad. I mean, you need 3 monsters, but still, you could play it in Razzle, no? Come on. Ah, detonator. Okay. I think we got our 3 ultra rares, so I don't know if there's a fourth one. Well, just we're going to see. Right? We hope that we can pull an Ice Resil red. I mean, it's the only reason I open this set right now. I mean, it's a great set. Nope. Oops. At least I didn't get like scammed like the rest last time, right? Where I only got one secret rare. I mean, yeah, there's no secret rare in there, right? So, oh, a Sword Resil. Okay. Actually, did get. I mean, I have already 2 of those, so might as well sell them. But still. I don't know if it's still possible to get oh! Collector's Rare. Wow, okay. I did not expect to get a Collector's Rare in here, when I already have 4 Ultra Rares. It's actually looking pretty beautiful. It's a really, really nice looking card. Oh, you can't really see the texture right now, but it's really looking good. Okay, right back. Yeah, really, really nice looking card. I don't know how much it's going for right now because the Collector's Rare is not as expensive as the quarter century, right? But it's still an amazing pull. Me personally, I like the Collector's Rare more because on the quarter century you don't really can read the cards, right? I would love to have Detonator in Collector's Rare. Let's see if we can get something else, but I don't think there's anything left. But still going to open all of them because I need those Malice cards. I don't know if is there another super other than Chassis Cat. I mean, a white binder and red. I have heart. I have the spell card. What the fuck? Another detonator? Wait, what? Isn't this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What the fuck is happening? I thought there's only 3 or 4 ultra rares in one display, but okay. Wow, that was a pretty amazing display. What the fuck? Okay, I think we made our money back. We didn't pull the Ice Resil, but one of the best displays I've had with from the set. Amazing pull. Yeah, so next time we are going to open the okay, well, I also get the Blooming Waters, right? The 151 Blooming Waters collection from Pokemon, but I think we're going to open the Prismatic Evolutions next because it's like the new set and we are trying to hit the Umbreon, right? So yeah, so it's coming out I think in 2 weeks, so I don't know if I will open anything until then, but we will have to see, because maybe I will try to go for the Ice Resil once more, but we will see. So until next time, thank you for watching, bye!